Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend. And welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. I wanted to do a full update. We're going to be talking about the technicals, but we mostly have to talk about the fundamentals. There are a lot of fundamentals, mostly bearish fundamentals going on right now, and we need to talk about that. Right now, Bitcoin. I mean, yesterday, Bitcoin was actually pretty bullish. We still made some profit on it in the Signal trading group, for example. If you want to join that, we bought from here, so we spiked like from 19,590. So we caught that spike down. Altogether was a strong support, and then kind of supported by the higher than expected unemployment rate, we spiked up. If you want to join the group, check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. But from there, we spiked up quite a lot. At the end, last night, we managed to spike all the way up to this level right here, around 21,000. But altogether, and we talked about this in the last couple of updates as well, Bitcoin and crypto, I would argue, right now is bearish. So there's a lot of resistance. We didn't even touch the 382 fib yet, right? So there's, I don't see any way in which we could on the short term, get back up above to like 22,000. I just don't see it happening. Now we have dropped down to this level around 20,000 and we're holding it as a support. But the question is how long can we hold this, all right? Because as most of you know, the bad news that I wanted to talk about mainly is this. The DPEG of USDC, a huge stablecoin. Right now it's 91.5 cents, depacked all the way down to 88 cents at the very lowest. And I'm trying to get it repacked. I hope it's going to be repacked. Tether USDT is doing fine. BUSD is doing okay. It's not packed yet, but it's close. DAI is not doing amazing. That's also at 93 cents. So the market is not doing good. And the only reason I think why Bitcoin is still holding up and not crashing down is because, well, people want to get into stablecoins. The first stablecoin they get into is USDT. If you take a look at the market cap of that has grown quite a bit. But it's also not back to the dollar right now. It's actually a little bit higher, a percentage higher at some points, which is crazy. I mean, that's also not what it's supposed to be. Because now you can see, for example, that with Bitcoin, the price just differs a lot from exchange to exchange and from pair to pair. One Bitcoin for USDT is almost 20,600, while one Bitcoin for BUSD is 20,150. Right, so excuse me, I'm still a little bit sick. So yeah, it's a lot of people are getting into Bitcoin, I think, because it's still better than if USDC loses its peg for real. Do I think it will lose its peg? I'm not sure. I don't think so. They still have a lot of cash reserves, but who knows? I mean, it's possible. If some sort of a snowball effect occurs, then all right, then it is possible. So if you still have it, I don't know, I would hold it, I guess. I still have some USDC and I'm holding it. I think that's if everybody holds, it'll be okay. But yeah. That's obviously difficult to do if not everybody holds, which is not the case. Otherwise, we wouldn't be down here. But all right, for Bitcoin, I think therefore that we can maybe stabilize for now a little bit. We're definitely not going to rally. I think at some point we are still going to drop down to 19,000. And I even think that at some point we'll drop down to 18,000 and 18,200. Which is a support level under there. It's depending on the developments, all right? Because I think that drop down to 19,000 is pretty inevitable, given the direction of the market. But 18,000 perhaps is not necessary if USDC just regains its peg and if the whole exposure, because of the bank failing, is a little bit mitigated. But we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that. I'll probably make a video on everything that happens this afternoon, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.